Happy Earth Day! What if I told you that the biggest solution for our Earth that you can start implementing today and is free actually just has to do with a change in mindset and perspective? And when I talk about something like this, it's not something that happens overnight. It's kind of a lifelong commitment. And that perspective can be realizing that we are nature, it's inside of us. And so we have to start acting like it through our behaviors and by the ways that we give back. And when you view yourself as a small piece of something so much bigger, you ultimately are functioning like a team. This can be extended to how we treat our items. Why do we have to throw something away after one single use? Or how we buy our clothes. Why can't we just reuse items and make them last longer and repair them like we used to do? Or, how we eat our food. Where is our food systems contributing to harm that we don't really want to be part of? Ultimately, these shifts in perspectives add up to an entire way of life that is helpful and part of the Earth. And that's what we're doing here. So follow along for all the stoke that comes with protecting the planet. Happy Earth Day, you guys. We have like a huge jam-packed Earth Day weekend, and we thought we wanted to take you along with us so that you could get an idea of what it's like to be an environmentalist that celebrates the Earth and works in conservation and protecting the planet. So today is Earth Day. It's Saturday, and I am going to a stream cleanup and plant restoration event in town with Kuleana Coral Restoration, which is the coral restoration nonprofit that I work for. And we're gonna have a great time. And then I think that we're gonna go surfing. And then tomorrow we're gonna take you along to the Earth Day Beach Cleanup Festival, which is a huge festival that's taking place at Waimanalo Beach Park. There's already 2,000 people registered. Like, it's going to be incredible. It's hosted by Sustainable Coastlines Hawaii, and the Conservationist Collective is having an education and outreach booth. And there's going to be like live music and workshops, sustainable living workshops, and plant restoration and art, and like, it's going to be seriously a party. So I can't wait to take you along with us. Let's go. And don't forget, happy Earth Day. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Earth Day. If you all haven't celebrated it before, you're not sure about it. So Earth Day started in the 1970s, and what a lot of people don't realize is that it actually started because of a mass nonviolent civil disobedience protest. It was a protest of thousands and thousands of people, and they were marching because they believed that access to clean air and clean water was a human right. And like, this is obviously something we know now, but back then it seemed like they had to fight for it. And as a result of all of these people coming together and demonstrating their demand for this of their politicians, the Clean Water Act and the Clean Air Act were passed in the 70s. And so it just speaks to how much coming together in community and collective action and activism really does result in change. And just remember that lesson is still true today. Now I'm on the way. I'm gonna go get lunch with Maria. She's the best. She used to be staff, and now we're just friends. We're gonna go to a little juice bar and then maybe surf later, get in the ocean. But yeah, just a heads up if you're wondering why like a marine biologist or an ocean conservationist is restoring native plants, I just like want to highlight that like watersheds are all connected, and work that you do upstream ultimately protects the reef downstream and the ocean. And so by making sure that the soil next to the stream is protected, we're keeping the stream clean, which ultimately prevents runoff and all of the things that are deeply connected to the ocean. So happy Earth Day, don't forget it, everything's connected. Okay, so I just had a little Earth Day lunch with Maria. We went to this place called Leahi Health. It's like a plant-based health, store. It's got like smoothies, acai bowls, whatever. It's so delicious. They closed one in my town, so it was really nice to come to this one. And then she had an idea to stop by the refill store that's in this area, which I've actually never been to. I always go to the one in my town, and they were having a huge Earth Day sale. And so I got some stuff that I've like wanted for a while. Okay, it would not be Earth Day if we were not spending it in the water. water. So just put on some sunscreen. My hair looks a little wet because I did some natural sun in. You can make this at home with lemon juice and hydrogen peroxide. I'm trying to naturally lighten my hair right now, so that's why that's going on. And Laura's gonna come pick me up. We're gonna meet Alex there. I'm gonna pack the boards up, and it's gonna be a good way to spend the rest of Earth Day. How was your Earth Day?
It was so good. It was fun.
I only took them along on mine event. You have to tell them what happened.
They don't want to hear that.
We're at a surf break on the west side, and the conditions aren't great, but we're not here for good conditions. We're here because it's Earth Day. Morning! It's day 2 of the Earth Day weekend, and we're going to the Earth Day Festival. It's earlier than I want to admit.
It's a beautiful Earth Day. Our bags are packed, or our car is packed, and we are getting ready to go to the beach to do a cleanup. It's gonna be so fun. Yay! Fit check! Matching, check us out. I also have my shirt on.
Okay, so this is a really full circle moment because Sustainable Coastlines was actually the first beach cleanup I ever went to when I moved here 8 years ago. And I remember feeling like, wow, I'm surrounded by tons of people who just care about all the same stuff I do, because it was so fun. It was a party. We were doing handstands. There was like Plastic Free Hawaii was there. It was so awesome. And so they've grown so much over the years, and now we're one of the booths. We are in the Relearning Center next to a few of our friends. Oh, there's our alarm. Next to a few of our friends, including Papa Hanamukua Marine Debris Project. Lauren's running that booth. The Alaya booth. Go left, Alex. And so many more. And we're going to take you along with us. So let's go. Happy Earth Day Part 2. Our celebrations continue. First 5 minutes already dealing with a climate denier. These are reusable. We just finished.
Oh, such a good day.
Well, we just hopped in the water after, and now we're finished, and the Earth Day weekend is done.
Yeah, great Earth Day overall.
Yeah.
Solid 2-day weekend.
Yeah, and our Ocean Solution surfboard was filled up by the end of it. So many people had great ideas of ways to save our ocean. Yeah, for sure. And then there was a ton of you guys who like listen to the podcast and follow us on here, who came and said hi. I know it was awesome. All ages, all people. Like, seriously, we love you guys so much. And yeah, I think my favorite part may have been just like, it was like a festival. It was a freaking party. And that's like the way that solving the climate crisis and saving the planet should be. So,
make it fun.
Yeah. Thanks for watching this vlog. I know it was a long one, but I hope that your Earth Day was amazing. And we just, yeah, I mean, this is like what it's all about, is like, it's
Make a change.
Yeah, make a change. It's the busiest weekend of the year for us, so we're really excited to rest and reset. And yeah, I just wish you water. So happy Earth Day. See you next time.